Myself, Mr. Birazdar Balasaheb, Assistant Professor, Department of Humanities and Science, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. In this session, we will discuss linear differential equation of higher order with constant coefficients, part 1. Learning outcomes. At the end of this session, students will be able to: first one, define linear differential equation of higher order. Second, write higher order linear differential equations in short form using differential operator capital D. Let us pause the video for a while and write answer to the question. Question is, write an order and degree of differential equation d square y by dx square minus 5 into dy by dx its a square plus 6 into y is equal to e raised to x. Come back. I hope you written answer to this question. Let us see the solution. Here, the highest order derivative in the equation is 2. Therefore, order of this differential equation is 2. And the power of highest order derivative is 1 in the equation. So that the degree of differential equation is 1. This is according to the definition of order and degree of differential equation which we learned in lower classes. Now let us start with linear differential equation. It is denoted by LDE shortly. Definition: a differential equation is said to be linear differential equation if the degree of dependent variable and its derivatives is 1 and they are not multiplied each other in the equation. If coefficient of derivative terms and the coefficient of dependent variable are constants, then the differential equation is called linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Let us consider an example 1. The differential equation d square y by dx square plus 3 into dy by dx plus 2 into y equal to e raised to x. In this differential equation is y is a dependent and x is independent variable. Here degree of y and its derivatives are dy by dx and d square y by dx square. The degree of these three is 1 and they are not multiplied each other in the equation. So that this differential equation belongs to linear differential equation. Also, the coefficient of derivative term are constant as well as the coefficient of dependent variable y is also constant. Hence, this differential equation is also called as linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Another example number 2. 2 into dqy by dtq plus 3 into d square y by dt square plus dy by dt equal to 0. In this, again y is a dependent variable and t independent variable, and derivative of y are dy by dt, d square y by dt square, dqy by dt cube. The degree of all these three differential coefficient is 1 and they are not multiplied each other in the equation. So that this differential equation is also belongs to linear differential equation. And again the coefficient of these derivative term is constant, so that it is also called linear differential equation with constant coefficient. In general, an ordinary differential equation a0 d raised to n y by dx raised to n plus a1 d raised to n minus 1 y by dx raised to n minus 1 plus a2 d raised to n minus 2 y by dx raised to n minus 2 plus and so on plus an minus 2 into d square y by dx square plus an minus 1 into dy by dx plus an into y equal to x of x denoted by 1, where a0, a1, a2, etc. an are constant coefficients and x of x is a function of x or may be constant, is known as linear differential equation of nth order with constant coefficients. Now operator D. The differential coefficient d by dx is called differential operator and it is denoted by symbol capital D. So that dy by dx can be written as d of y, and d square y by dx square can be written as d square of y, and so on. D raised to n y by dx raised to n can be written as d raised to n of y. With these notation, the above differential equation 1 can be written as a naught d raised to n of y plus a1 d raised to n minus 1 of y plus and so on plus an minus 2 d square of y plus an minus 1 d of y plus an into y equal to x of x. In the left hand side, every term operating on y, so that y is taken outside. So in bracket, a naught d raised to n plus a1 d raised to n minus 1 plus a2 d raised to n minus 2 plus and so on plus an minus 2 d square plus an minus 1 d plus an bracket close into y, which is equal to x of x. Now expression in the bracket is a function of d, and it is denoted by f of d. Therefore, f of d into y is equal to x of x, denoted by equation 2. Now equation 2 is called a symbolic form of equation 1. Both equations are identical, but way of writing is different. Here f of d is a naught d raised to n plus a1 d raised to n minus 1 plus a2 d raised to n minus 2 plus and so on plus an minus 2 d square plus an minus 1 d plus an, which is called as polynomial in D. Now, general solution of linear differential equation. The general solution is the functional relation between dependent variable and independent variable which satisfy the differential equation, and it is containing an arbitrary constants. The number of such constant must be equal to order of differential equation. So that in general, the general solution of linear differential equation of the type f of d into y equal to x of x with constant coefficient when x of x is not equal to 0 is given in two parts as dependent variable, here y, which is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. In short, we write it as y equal to CF plus PI, where CF is the solution of a homogeneous differential equation f of d into y equal to 0, and PI is the particular solution of equation f of d into y equal to x of x when x of x not equal to 0. Now, auxiliary equation of a differential equation. An auxiliary equation of a linear differential equation f of d into y equal to x of x is obtained by equating 0 to polynomial f of d. That means f of d equal to 0 gives an auxiliary equation of the differential equation. But for this nth order differential equation, f of d is a naught d raised to n plus a1 d raised to n minus 1 plus a2 d raised to n minus 2 plus and so on plus an minus 1 into d plus an. And when we equate it equal to 0, we get a naught d raised to n plus a1 d raised to n minus 1 plus a2 d raised to n minus 2 plus and so on plus an minus 1 into d plus an, which is equal to 0. It is called as a auxiliary equation of a given nth order differential equation. It is an algebraic equation in D. The values of D which satisfy this equation are called roots of an auxiliary equation. Now let us consider example 1. Write an auxiliary equation of differential equation d cube y by dx cube plus d square y by dx square minus 2 into dy by dx, which is equal to e raised to x, and find roots of an auxiliary equation. Here d by dx is capital D, so that dy by dx equal to dy, d square y by dx square equal to d square y, and d cube y by dx cube equal to d cube y. With these notation, the given equation can be written as d cube y plus d square y minus 2dy equal to e raised to x. That is, when y is taken common, in bracket d cube plus d square minus 2d bracket close into y equal to e raised to x. This is of type f of d into y, which is equal to x of x. Here f of d is d cube plus d square minus 2d. And when we equate this f of d equal to 0, we get auxiliary equation. Therefore, d cube plus d square minus 2d equal to 0 is the auxiliary equation of given differential equation. Now we have to solve this equation Here dq plus d square minus 2d equal to 0. To solve this equation, we factorize the left hand side. For that, d is common taken. In bracket, d square plus d minus 2 equal to 0. And keeping d as it is, or equate d equal to 0 one equation, and d square plus d minus 2 equal to 0 another equation. And now we have to solve equation d square plus d minus 2 equal to 0 separately by factorizing. Here d square plus 2d minus d minus 2, d can be written as 2d minus d, and minus 2 which is equal to 0. From first two term d is common, in bracket d plus 2, and from last two term minus 1 is common, in bracket d plus 2 which is equal to 0. And when we take d plus 2 is common, we left d minus 1 in bracket which is equal to 0. Then d plus 2 equal to 0 gives d equal to minus 2, and d minus 1 equal to 0 gives d equal to 1. Hence, total roots of auxiliary equations are d equal to 0, d equal to minus 2, and d equal to 1. To prepare this video session, I use this book as a reference. Thank you.